Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about meanwhile versus meantime. Um, they're definitely not the same and definitely not interchangeable. So yeah, let's get started. I was going to school, working, and being productive with my life. Meanwhile, my brother was playing video games every single day. Do you guys see why we can't use meantime here? Remember also that you always have to include the in the before meantime, because it wouldn't sound right if you didn't. So this pretty much makes meantime, or rather in the meantime, a phrase because you can't use meantime by itself. I hope this makes sense. To me, using meanwhile means you're comparing two different things around the same time frame of each other. Keep in mind that the time frame can be unspecific, so it could be in a span of 1 week or maybe 5 years. And using meantime means that something is being done or could be done while something else is in the process of happening or will happen. For example, the doctor is busy with another client. In the meantime, you can take a seat and we'll call you when he's available. Now here, as you can see in my fancy diagrams, the circles represents the time frame. And in the first example, it represents meanwhile, where the objects inside it are happening at or around the same time frame of each other. The second example is meantime, or in the meantime, where the object inside the circle is still in progress or will happen while the object outside is what's currently being done or could be done to pass the time. Another way of thinking of in the meantime is replacing it with but while I or you wait until it's done, da da da. For example, I'm on my way home from the countryside, but while I or you wait until it's done, finished, completed, you can think of what we can have for dinner tonight. Also keep in mind guys that there are probably other ways to use meantime or in the meantime and meanwhile, but I just wanted to help you guys with its basic and most common usage. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.